Alrighty, so what I asked you to do was I asked you to build this number with base 10 blocks. Who thinks they could walk me through the whole step, the whole process of building this number with base 10 blocks? Who can do it? Darren, go for it, dude. How many tens am I going to draw?
9.
9. Okay. How many ones am I going to draw?
2.
2. So, if you put a tens and ones chart over top of your number, you would see that you need 9 tens or 90, right? That's the value, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And you need 2 ones. You only count by 1. 91, 92. Good job. Alrighty. We are going to get started with our word problem a day. Keeps the worries away. Remember, when we do a word problem a day, that helps us practice those problem-solving skills, those analytical and critical thinking skills, and they help keep our worries away. So the more word problems you practice, the better you're going to get at them. So our word problem today says Natalie has 7 dolls. Charlotte gives her some more dolls. That's so nice. Now Natalie has 10 dolls. How many dolls did Charlotte give to Natalie? So who can tell me the 3 things I have to have for this word problem to solve it correctly? What are the 3 things I need? Jack?
E, S, and A.
E, S, and A. And what does ESA stand for? What's the E stand for? Brock?
I thought it was elephant sing always.
That's the little thing we use to remember, but what's the E stand for based on the math problem? Aubrey?
Equation.
The equation. Amina, turn on that camera for me, girl. And then what's the S stand for? What's the S stand for? Cameron?
Strategy.
Strategy, right. Equation, strategy, and then what's that last thing we need that starts with an A?
Answer.
Acacia.
Answer.
Answer, that's right. I need my answer. So I need an equation, a strategy, an answer. And Brock was right. It's elephant sing always. ESA. That's a way to remember it. Alrighty, so first I would like to write our equation. Okay, so Natalie has 7 dolls. So I know my first number, 7. Charlotte gives her some more. She gives her more. So show me, is that addition or subtraction? Addition or subtraction? Addition or subtraction? Show me, she gives her more. Natalie's getting more. Is that addition or subtraction? Oh, Grayson's got it. That's right, it's addition. Okay, she gives her some more. Do we know how many she gives her? Right now. You might know it in your head, but do we know it from this word problem? Yes or no? Yeah? No, we don't. That's right. So I need a symbol for the unknown. So I'm going to use a box. Now, Natalie has 10 dolls altogether. Okay? So we're trying to figure out how many dolls did Charlotte give to Natalie. I know you might know this in your head, but I need to see your work, correct? Do I need to see your work? Can I read your brain? No. So I have to see your work on the paper, okay? Or on Seesaw. I have to see your work. So I'm going to draw 7 circles. Okay, that's my strategy I'm going to use. I could also use open number line, but I'm going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, to get to 10, I'm going to count on. So I'm not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know I have 7 circles, so it's like you're putting 7 in your head, and then you're going to add till you get to 10. So 7's in my head, 8, 9, 10. Who could tell me how many red circles did I draw? How many red circles did I draw, Cam? 3. I saw him doing his work in his notebook. Good job, Cameron. Okay, so 7 plus 3 equals 10. Do I have an equation? Yes.
Yeah.
Do I have a strategy?
Yes.
Do I have an answer?
Yes.
Woo! Boom, check. Have them all. Easy peasy. Wasn't that easy? All right, let's move on to today's stuff. So, here you have 2 number sentences, okay? You have a number sentence here and a number sentence here. What we're going to be determining is if both these equations, okay, if this number sentence is true, if it's true, it's a thumbs up. If it's false, it's a thumbs down. But can I just solve this willy-nilly without knowing what 6 plus 2 equals and what 10 minus 6 equals? No. So first, what you're going to have to do is solve each side. So who could tell me what 6 plus 2 is? So I want everyone to write this equation down. Everyone write that down first. And when you write that down, give me your best smushy face. When you write that down, give me your best smushy face. So everyone got that down. Give me your best smushy face. Alrighty. First, we're going to solve this side. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to draw 2 more. How much is that? How much is 6 plus 2? How much is 6 plus 2? Or put 6 in your head and count on 2. How much is 6 plus 2? I need a hand. Riley.
So my screen, I can't really see it because it pops up on somebody else for 10 minutes and goes back to you.
So you have your layout. You have to change your layout. So here, I could show you real quick. You're gonna see doubles of yourself. Everyone should be muted, so that shouldn't technically happen, but your layout needs to be changed. So you need to change your layout to, you probably have it on Spotlight. You could change it to Sidebar, or you could change it to Auto. Auto's what's going to make it switch all the time. I have mine on tiled right now so I can see all of you, but Spotlight would be where I speak the whole time, but if people are unmuted, that's what's going to cause the issues. So I need everyone to make sure that they're muting themselves. Everyone should be muted. Alrighty, there we go. So that should work. Alright, so how much is 6 plus 2? Jack.
8.
8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, so that's how much this one equals. Now let's solve 10 minus 4. So remember, in subtraction, you only draw the first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to take away 4. 3, 4. So how many are left? What's 10 minus 4? What's 10 minus 4? Acacia?
6.
6. Now, I have a question for you. Is 8 less than 6? Is that true or is that false? Thumbs up for true or thumbs up or thumbs down for false? Is it true or false? Is 8 less than 6? Right, that's false. So I would put, I'm not good at drawing a thumbs down. But this would be false. Thumbs down. I'm not Picasso. I didn't go to school to draw. So you know what? There's my thumbs down. So it's false. That's right. Good job. Let's try another one. I want everyone to write down this number sentence for me.
Nothing hard.
These are hard. Yes, you're right. Okay? So 9 is greater than 4 plus 3. But do you see how we have to solve both sides first? We got to solve both sides before we can determine if it's true or false. So I want you to write down this number sentence. 9 is greater than 4 plus 3. 9 is greater than 4 plus 3.
How do you write that?
Like how I have it up on the board.
974 plus 3?
No, 9 is greater than 4 plus 3. That's not a 7. A 7 would be way more upright. A 7 would look like this. That's Dale's mouth. So 9 is greater than 4 plus 3. So do we have anything we have to solve here for 9? No, this is the number 9. So this, 9 equals 9. Woo! We did that side. Cha-ching, check it off. Now we have to solve this side. So I have 4 plus 3. This time what I want you to do is put 4 in your head, and we're going to count on 3. So put 4 in your head.
4.
5, 6, 7. So what's 4 plus 3? What's 4 plus 3, Aubrey?
7.
7. So I have a question for you. Is 9 greater than 7? Is that true, thumbs up, or false, thumbs down? Is that true? Is 9 greater than 7? True or false? Show me. Is that true or false? True, that's right. So, I'm laughing at myself, man. There's my little fingernails. Those are knuckles. I don't know. So it's true. Right, that's my thumbs up and there's true. It doesn't look like it's all good. Okay, so thumbs up or true. Again, didn't go to school for art, so I went to school to be a teacher. All right, so let's solve this one. Go ahead and write this number sentence down. This is 5 plus 5 equals 6 plus 4. 5 plus 5 equals 6 plus 4. So I want you to write this number sentence down. 5 plus 5 equals 6 plus 4. This is kind of like balancing out equations, but little bit trickier because the symbols in the middle could be less than, greater than, or equal to. So we kind of already talked about balancing equations, but. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to solve this side, and I'm going to solve with circles this time. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who could tell me what is 5 plus 5 equal? Come on, y'all should know this one. George, what is 5 plus 5 equal?
10.
10. That's right. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay.
Ever since the meeting.
Now, let's solve this one. So I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Who can tell me what is 6 plus 4 equal? Darren is raising his hand. Tell me what 6 plus 4 equals.
6 plus 4 equals 10.
6 plus 4 equals 10. That's right. 6 plus 4 does equal 10. So, does 10 equal 10? Is that true or false? True or false? Show me. Does 10 equal 10? If I'm this number over here, and I have 5 pieces of chocolate and 5 peppermints, and this person over here is Alice, and she has 6 pieces of chocolate and 4 peppermints, do we have the same amount of candy? If I have 10 and she has 10? Yeah. So that's true. This is true. You know, it's all good. That's my thumbs up, right? And it's true. So that's the T. It's true. That's a true equation. 10 does equal 10. Guess what? 1,475,000 equals 1,475,000. They equal each other. They're the same number. So if it's the same number and it's an equal sign, that's true. Now,
74 equals 74.
exactly. What if I had this symbol? Would this be true? No, this wouldn't be true because 10 equals 10. 10 isn't less than 10. 10 is equal to 10. So I wanted to point that out real quick.
10 is less than 10.
10 is not less than 10. 10 equals 10. Zoe, question.
10 plus 10 is 20, so altogether with you and Alice, you would have 20.
We would have 20 if we did it together. You're right. But 10 equals 10. Right. Good. Okay. All right. Write down this number sentence for me. 2 plus 1 is greater than 10 minus 8. 2 plus 1 is greater than 10 minus 8.
Wait, do we have to, actually do, how do we write that out?
You write out this equation. 10 plus 1, or 2 plus 1, sorry. 2 plus 1 is greater than 10 minus 8. You just write that whole number sentence. 2 plus 1 is greater than 10 minus 8. You write that whole thing on your page. And make sure it fits in a line. So don't write too big. We're going to solve it.
Wow.
You guys got this. All right, who can tell me what 2 plus 1 is? Come on, y'all know what 2 plus 1 is. What's 2 plus 1?
2 plus 1 is easy.
Who can raise their hand and tell me what 2 plus 1 is? 2 plus 1. Dallas, what is 2 plus 1?
2 plus 1.
3. That's right. Good job. 2 plus 1 is 3. Who could tell me what 10 minus 8 is? Let's draw it out just to be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember in subtraction, you only draw the first number. This is how many you take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I have the number 3 here. How many is left over here? What's 10 minus 8, Aubrey? 2. Now I have a question. This says 2 plus 1 is greater than 10 minus 8. And the answer is 3 is greater than 2. Is 3 greater than 2? Is that true or false? Is 3 greater than 2? Yes or no? Show me. Yeah, Grayson got it. That's right. Let me see who else. Acacia? Yep. Yes. So, 3 is greater than 2. That's true. All right, I want to go over your seesaw activity with you real quick. You'll have the same type of problems, okay? So, these are all really close together. You're not going to have room to show your work. I don't need to see your work. However, to help you, you might want to write these equations down on a notebook or on a dry erase board to solve them out first to help you. Okay? So you might want to write these number sentences just like we did here on a dry erase board, on a notebook, solve them, and then tell me if they're true or false. So as you can see, these sums are much nicer. Oop, I wrote on it. These sums are much nicer. So you'll tell me if it's true or you'll tell me if it's false. So like for this one, this says 7. I need everyone to mute themselves. Alrighty. So this one says 7 is greater than 3 plus 3. Does anyone know what 3 plus 3 is at the top of their head? 3 plus 3, put them together. Zoe.
Is it 6?
It is 6, that's right. So, I'm going to put my answer there. 7 is greater than 6. Is that true or false? That's true. So, I would take a thumbs up from over here and move the thumbs up there. Do you see how I did that? Yes? Okay, that's all you're doing for your math assignment. It's one page. You have 8 different number sentences that you're telling me if they're true or false. I suggest, okay, you don't have to show it to me. If you want to, you can always add a page and show it to me, though, if you want to show me your work. But I highly suggest that you write these down on a dry erase board or in a notebook and solve the problems on there first. Then go back and write the answers and then determine if it's true or false. I know that's a lot of steps, but it'll help you in the long run.
That's not a lot of steps.
It's not? Well, that's good. All right, that's all I got for you for math today.